Hello everyone. Today we're going to improve your listening skills with everyday stories. These are short stories about everyday things that happen in everyday life. They are not only interesting, but they also help you to learn new words and expressions in context. So let's begin. It was the first day of class and the students were sitting in their seats waiting for the teacher to arrive. The bell rang and the door opened. A man walked in. He was tall and thin with a big beard. "Good morning," he said with a smile. "I'm your new English teacher." The students said hello. They were excited to have a new teacher. The man was very funny, and he made the class very enjoyable. He told jokes and stories and used funny voices. The students laughed a lot and had a great time. At the end of the class, the students thanked the man for making their first day so special. They said they couldn't wait to learn from him. The next day, the students arrived at class early. They wanted to be the first to get in. As they entered the classroom, they saw a note on the board. It said, "Please enter through the back door." The students looked at each other. They were confused, but they went to check it out. Outside, they saw the man waiting for them with a big smile. "Why did you come through the front door?" he asked. "I told you to come through the back door." The students apologized and went inside. The man said it was fine. "Let's start class," he said. But after a few minutes, one student fell asleep. The man stopped talking and stared at him. Then he started to laugh. "Don't worry," he said to the sleeping student. "I won't tell anyone." And the class continued as usual. This story is about a teacher and his students. The students were excited to have a new teacher, but they didn't know what to expect. On the first day of class, the teacher did something that surprised them. He made the class fun and enjoyable. The students laughed and had a great time. After the first day of class, the students were excited to go back and learn more from their new teacher. The next day, the teacher gave the students a surprise. He told them to enter the class through the back door. The students were confused, but they followed his instructions. Then the teacher noticed that one of the students was falling asleep. Instead of getting angry, he decided to have some fun. He pretended to be serious, but in reality, he was just playing with his students. The teacher made the class a fun place to be. He knew how to make his students laugh and keep them engaged. Now let's talk about some of the expressions used in the story. The expression "to fall asleep" means to fall asleep. It can also mean to become very bored. For example, if you are sitting in a class and the teacher is talking about a boring topic, you might start to fall asleep. The expression "to be falling asleep" is used to describe the action of falling asleep. For example, "I'm falling asleep," or "she's falling asleep right now." The expression "to keep someone engaged" means to keep someone interested and paying attention. For example, a good teacher knows how to keep their students engaged. The expression "to have a fun place to be" means to have a place where you can relax and enjoy yourself. For example, the teacher made the classroom a fun place to be. Learning English listening skills takes practice, but it's also fun. You can start by listening to simple stories like the ones we read today. As you improve, you can listen to more challenging stories. You can also watch movies and TV shows in English. This will help you to improve your listening skills and learn new words and expressions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you.